What if your next ride could outrun traffic, conquer mountain trails, and travel over 100 miles on a single charge? Sounds impossible. Not anymore. Electric bikes in 2026 are more powerful, smarter, and more capable than ever before. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've done the research for you. In this video, we're counting down the top 4 best electric bikes you can buy in 2026, from high-performance dual-motor beasts to versatile all-terrain machines that deliver incredible speed, range, and value. And if you find your favorite, you'll find all the Amazon product links in the description below. Now let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 4. FREESKY 4000W Dual-Motor Electric Bike, Warrior Pro. A pair of hub motors deliver up to 4,000 watts peak and 120 Newton-meters each. Toggle AWD for traction or rear drive for efficiency, and reach up to 40 miles per hour. Power comes from a 48-volt, 30-amp-hour Samsung cell pack, 1,340 watt-hours, UL 2271 certified, with the drive system meeting UL 2849. It's removable, frame locking, and charges at 3 amps in about 8-10 hours. Range is an estimated 50 to 120 miles, depending on terrain, assist, and load. Weather-sealed ports and harnessing boost durability, while a bright HD display keeps speed, mode, and range clear day or night. Full suspension with an adjustable hydraulic fork and rear shock tames, trails, and potholes. 26 Splin 4.0 fat tires float over snow and sand and grip on wet pavement. The aluminum alloy double triangle frame balances stiffness and comfort with clean welds and internal routing. An 800 lumen headlight, signals, USB-C, and swipe to lock round out the package. Included rear rack and full coverage fenders add weekday utility, ideal for all-terrain explorers, heavy-duty commuters, and adventure riders. Quick assembly with labeled cabling and quick connects, and FREESKY backs core components for 24 months so you can focus on the ride. Number 3. OUXI GT2000 Electric Dirt Bike, UL 2849 certified for system safety. The 48V38A battery delivers up to 90 miles with pedal assist and about 45 miles on throttle only, then recharges in roughly 6 to 7 hours. The pack locks securely, removes in seconds, and can be swapped or charged off bike to keep you moving. A peak 4,000-watt motor surges from a standstill with crisp acceleration, driving hard up loose climbs and through deep gravel. Full suspension absorbs roots and whoops, keeping traction consistent and the bars calm when the trail gets rough. Hydraulic disc brakes front and rear bite predictably, with strong modulation for confident control. In the rain, spray flies while the GT2000 tracks straight, shedding speed without skids on slick pavement or muddy descents. 24 3.0 fat tires lay down a broad, compliant contact patch for grip on gravel and confidence over curbs. The high-carbon steel frame resists flex under load, keeping lines steady with a backpack, panniers, or trail tools on board. On forest single track, it carves smoothly between turns. On service roads, it cruises efficiently. In the city, it darts through shortcuts and climbs ramps without drama. Versatility for off-road trails, gravel, and weekday commutes. Assembly arrives 85% complete. Install the front wheel, cockpit, and pedals with basic tools. Labeled cabling and tidy routing make first-time setup straightforward and secure. Electronics meet UL 2849 standards, and the GT2000 includes a 1-year warranty. Range, punch, braking control, and ride stability come together for a confident, low-maintenance electric dirt bike you can rely on daily and push on weekends. For wet commutes and rough backroads alike, the chassis stays composed, steel frame, fat tires, and suspension working in concert, so the motor's torque translates into smooth, usable speed. The OUXI GT2000 bides pairs a swappable 48V38H pack with a peak 4,000W drive, hydraulic discs, full suspension, and 24-inch 3.0 rubber, built to handle trails, gravel, and the everyday ride. Number 2. Windone RS5 Electric Dirt Bike. Built for riders who want real off-road performance without the noise or maintenance of gas, the RS5 blends punchy acceleration, confident handling, and practical range into a rugged, mid-size package that's easy to grow with. At its heart is a 2200-watt peak motor delivering instant torque for hill launches and quick passes. Top speed reaches up to 37 miles per hour, and with up to 60% grade climbing capability, the RS5 scrambles up steep switchbacks that stop lesser bikes cold. Power is paired with endurance, a 48-volt, 22.5 amp-hour battery, about 1080 watt-hours, delivers up to 45 miles of range depending on terrain, rider weight, and mode. A smart BMS actively balances cells, protects against overcurrent and overtemperature, and keeps performance consistent ride after ride. Safety and compliance matter. The RS5's battery is UL 2271 certified, and the complete vehicle meets UL 2272. That means its electrical system has been independently evaluated for thermal, mechanical, and electrical safety to help you ride with confidence. Suspension inspires control. A hydraulic front fork soaks up square-edge hits, while a rear air shock lets you fine-tune sag and rebound for your weight and terrain. The result is planted tracking in rocks and roots with the pop you want for quick line changes. Stopping power comes from hydraulic disc brakes. Expect firm bite, smooth modulation, and confident heat management on long descents. Practicing controlled stops and front brake weight transfer feels predictable, even on loose surfaces. 3 riding modes tailor the bike to your day. Eco for learning skills, conserving range, and wet conditions. Standard for daily trail fun with balanced power. Sport for maximum response, steep climbs and quick sprints when you need every watt. Fit is dialed for a wide range of riders. Ideal rider height spans roughly 5 feet to 6 feet 3 inches, with a maximum load up to 265 pounds. The seat height is about 33.5 inches, and the bike weighs around 128 pounds for a stable yet manageable feel. It suits teen riders 13 and up progressing through skills, and grows into an excellent platform for adults who want quiet performance for local trails, backyard practice, or campsite loops, without sacrificing speed, braking, or control. Add the practical touches: clear display for speed and battery status, durable controls, and sealed connectors for trail abuse. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive support, the windone RS5 delivers real off-road capability, smart range, and confidence you can feel on every climb. Number 1. MotoTec 36V 1000 Electric Dirt Bike, model HP112E. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly way to explore backyard trails, practice in the driveway, or take your first steps into off-road riding, this little ripper is purpose-built to make learning safe, smooth, and seriously fun. Power comes from a 36-volt 1000-watt brushed motor with a reliable chain drive, delivering smooth, predictable acceleration that new riders can trust. It's responsive enough to climb small hills and pass over loose gravel without drama, yet tame enough to keep confidence high as skills grow. A 36V 7.8A lithium battery powers rides for about 45 minutes, depending on terrain and rider weight. When it's time to recharge, expect roughly 5 to 6 hours from empty to full. Just plug into the frame port, click to secure, and you're set for the next session. For skill progression, a variable speed knob lets a parent or guardian set the top speed anywhere from about 6 to 18 miles per hour. Start slow around cones, build balance and braking habits, then dial it up as control improves. No surprises, just steady growth. Suspension is confidence-focused. Hydraulic front shocks help absorb chatter and small bumps, while a rear spring shock smooths out dips and ruts. The result is a stable, comfortable ride that keeps the tire planted on gentle dirt paths and uneven backyard sections. Safety gets real stopping power with front and rear disc brakes. Lever feel is reassuring and easy to modulate, so riders can practice controlled braking during slow slaloms and short stop drills before venturing onto longer backyard loops. It's sized for young riders. Recommended age is 13 and up, with a maximum rider weight of 150 pounds. The cockpit is approachable, stance is neutral, and controls are simple, ideal for building fundamentals in safe, open spaces. Key dimensions help match fit and terrain. Seat height is about 24.5 inches, wheelbase around 37 inches, and ground clearance roughly 10 inches. Pneumatic tires, 12-inch front and 10-inch rear, offer a balanced mix of agility and stability on grass, gravel, and compact dirt. For peace of mind, the HP112E carries UL 2489 certification. That, combined with a durable frame and tidy cable routing, makes ownership straightforward. Charge, check tire pressure, and ride within your skill level and space. Where it shines, backyard trails with soft turns, driveway practice with cones, and mellow beginner off-road paths. It's compact, quiet, and easy to live with. Perfect for short, focused sessions that build real-world riding skills. Summing up, a 36V 1000W brushed motor with chain drive, 36V 7.8 AH battery for about 45 minutes of ride time, 5 to 6 hours to recharge, adjustable 6 18 mph top speed, hydraulic front and rear spring shocks, front and rear disc brakes, teen-friendly sizing, and practical dimensions that fit real spaces. Always gear up, ride within limits, and enjoy the progression.